Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a fun game for you and it is called Hula Horseshoe. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. For this game, you're only going to need a few household items. If you have a hula hoop or some type of ring that will roll on the floor, that's one item you're going to need. You're going to need a bucket or a basket, and if you have some tape available, if not, you can use a shoe. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Alright, so the way this game is played is very simple, or very similar to the game of horseshoes. I have this is going to be my horseshoe, my hula hoop. What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to stand behind this line, which is going to be 8 feet away from the bucket, and I'm going to have to roll this. Use my opposite foot forward. I'm gonna have to roll. Is for me to get this hula hoop as close to the bucket as possible. If it touches the bucket, just like that, that is worth 1 point. If the hula hoop lands like this, that is gonna be worth 2 points. If the hula hoop lands over it completely, that's gonna be worth 3 points. Now I'm gonna have 1 minute to get the hula hoop as many points as I can in 1 minute with the hula hoop, okay? And again, 1, it touches, 2, it lands on top, and 3, the hula hoop lands perfectly over the bucket. So make sure you stay tuned. I'll demonstrate the activity in just a moment. 2, 1, and go. Okay. Those points there. Up, 2 points. Alright, so I got still 2 points on that round. Alright, Jordan's up, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, 3 points right off the bat. As long as it rolls on the floor, that's all that matters. Ooh, 6 points. Oh, 9 points. Jordan has different strategies than I did. Nice job. That does not count. It has to roll. It has to roll. Or no tossing. Rolling. Nope, does not count. It has to roll. Keep it on the ground. There it is. Oh, that's 15 points. Jordan is doing amazing. 17 points. And time. Going towards total 17 points. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, 2 points. And time. So I got a total of 5 points for round number 2. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. 3 points. Well, I really hope you enjoyed the game of Hula Horseshoes. Make sure you stay tuned for further content. Again, don't forget to comment below. Let us know what was your final score. What was your favorite part of the activity? We love to respond to you guys' comments. So, as a reminder, please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
As always, at the P Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.